How's it going, guys? Chef LeBron here. Today we're going to make very addictive street corn, and don't blame on us if you can't stop eating. Let's begin.
This is 2 ears of corn that have been cut in two. And we're gonna put it to boil for 5 minutes. Take 2 cloves of garlic and press them. Take a tablespoon of butter and melt it. Take out your corn. Add your garlic to the butter. Add 1 teaspoon of brown sugar. Take your corn and put a skewer through it. Take your corn and roll it in the butter and sugar and garlic mixture. Take some mayonnaise and put it on these. And we have some parmesan cheese here. I'm gonna roll this in the cheese. Set it here. For this one, we're gonna use some red pepper powder and sprinkle it on top. I'm gonna put paprika on this one.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Very buttery. Study something. Sweet and also a little spice kick to it. I love it so much. Do we have more corn? Okay, I'm gonna keep eating. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Bye.